picked up this set of 3, the eyebrow brush, the eyelash separator, and then the brow combo and lash spoolie. This is what I actually wanted, the spoolie, to upgrade my toolkit. My spoolie and my brush were getting really decrepit, so this set is lightweight, compact, and the tools look well made for the cost-effective price. The eyelash separator has fine metal teeth and really helped remove those mascara clumps. What I do appreciate is the angled eyebrow brush. That's what I actually bought it for. With the spoolie, works well for shaping my brows and applying my eyebrow product. And then finally, each piece does feel very sturdy. The handles are not flimsy at all. This little set here isn't inexpensive, but surprisingly effective. These do exactly what they promise, making the brows and lashes neater and more polished. Definitely worth keeping in the makeup bag. Highly recommend.